Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. So we are discussing about the model question paper for the mathematics subject third semester for CSE branch and the allied branches. So its subject code is BCS301. We have solved the variety of problems in the previous lectures, so you can go through. I have provided the link in the description box. Okay, so today we will discuss about question number 3b. Find the unique fixed probability vector of the given matrix, right? So this is your given matrix P is equal to 0 into 3 by 4 1 upon 4, like that one. Okay, while writing solution, we just write, we know that unique fixed probability vector is given by V is equal to x y z. Okay, where x plus y plus z should be equal to 1. Once you calculate these x y z values, that should be equal to the summation of these terms should be equal to 1 over there. Okay, so such that this V unique fixed probability vector multiplied by the given matrix V into P should be equal to V. Okay, so I can write what is the V. V is xyz, so xyz and multiplied by P matrix, that is 0 3 upon 4 1 upon 4 1 by 2 1 by 2 0 0 1 0. Okay, this is your matrix should be equal to V x y z. Okay, now cross multiply. This is the matrix multiplication, you already know. This is your first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Okay, so x into 0 is 0, y into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, so I can write 1 by 2y, and z into 0 is 0, so no need to write. Next term, first row second column, x into 3 by 4 is 3 by 4 times x, plus y into 1 by 2 is y into 1 by 2 is y by 2. Okay, plus z into 1 is z. So this is your second term. Now third term, z into 1 by 4, sorry, x into 1 by 4 is x by 4, y into 0 is 0, z into 0 is 0, no need to write, should be equal to x y z. Okay, so this is your 1 by 2 times y. I can write here 3x plus, sorry, 3x by 4 plus, if I just take LCM from this term, okay, I should multiply here with 2 and this with 2. Okay, this with 4 and this with 4, so that I can take 4 LCM over here. So I can take like this, it will be your 2y plus 4z. Okay, x by 4 is as it is, which is equal to xy z, right? Then you can compare these terms, as these matrices are equal. So x is equal to 1 by 2y, x is equal to 1 by 2y, and y is equal to this 3x plus 2y plus 4z, right, and divided by 4. Then z is equal to this x by 4 over here, right? I hope you are getting it. This is your 2x is equal to y, so y is equal to 2x. Here y 4y, I can write 4y is equal to 3x plus 2y plus 4z, and z is your, sorry, x is equal to 4 into z is 4z. This is your equations, right? And also from the first, I can write here x plus y plus z is equal to 1. I can write z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. So if I am shifting x and y on the right hand side, I will get 1 minus x minus y. Okay, so z value I am getting this one. Okay, so I can write here also z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Fine, now put these two values, suppose 2x and 1 minus x minus y value in this particular equation. First of all, let us take z is equal to 1 minus x minus, what is the y value? Y value is 2x. I can write here 1 minus x minus 2x. So z is equal to 1 minus x minus 2x is nothing but 3x over here. Okay, now put this z is equal to 1 minus 3x and y is equal to 2x in this equation. Okay, so let me take it. So this is your this equation. Suppose if I am calling it as star equation, put these values in this equation. So I can write 4, y is 2x, so 4 into 2x is equal to 3 into x is as it is, plus 2 into y value is nothing but 2x, so 2x, plus 4 into z value is 1 minus 3x. Okay, so 4 into 1 minus 3x over here, right? Then we have to simplify it. So see here, this is your 4 2's are 8x is equal to 3x plus 2 into 2 is 4x plus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4 3's are 12x. Okay, this is your 8x. This is 3x plus 4x. How much it is? 7x minus 12x means minus 5x I am getting here. Okay, so minus 5x I can write minus 5x plus 4. So 8x is equal to 8x. This minus 5x, if I shift on this particular side, what I will get? Plus 5x is equal to 4. So this is nothing but 13x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 upon 13. So x value is 4 by 13. Now put this x value 4 by 13 in this equation. 2x is equal to y. So I am writing here this is 2x is equal to y. 2 into x value is 4 upon 13, so I can write 4 upon 13 is equal to y. This is your 8 by 13 is equal to y. So y value is 8 upon 30. Now which value I have to calculate at last? That is your z value. So put this x value in this particular equation. Okay, so you will get z value. So here I am writing x is equal to 4z. So instead of x I am taking 4 by 13 is equal to 4z. Okay, so this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. You will get z is equal to 1 upon 13. Okay, so these are the values now. Okay, now I have to check whether the condition is satisfied or not. This x plus y plus z should be equal to 1 over here. Okay, what is the x value? 4 upon 13 plus y value is 8 upon 13 plus z value is 1 upon 13. It should be equal to 1. 8 in, this is LCM is 13, and 8 4 to 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 upon 13 is nothing but 1. So the given condition is satisfied. So your answers are correct. X is equal to 4 upon 30. So I can write here V is equal to unique fixed probability vector is equal to x value is 4 upon 13 and y value is 8 upon 13 and z value is 1 upon 13. So this is the answer for your question. Thank you for watching my video.